Hello, if you have this information where it says that the Samsung Tab couldn't connect to your S Pen on Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra, then let me show you what you need to do in order to set it up. So what we need to do is open notifications, and then you should be able to find the notification about the S Pen being disconnected. So you want to tap over here in order to connect again. And over here we have the instructions that we need to attach our S Pen to connect it for air actions. So let's actually do that. Of course, at the back over here we have this magnet. We need to attach it like so. And now we need to wait for the pen to be synchronized with the Galaxy Tab. And that's pretty much it. So we need to be pretty much patient with the S Pen being connected. We need to wait just a while. It can be like a few seconds, it can be a minute. And there we go. Once it is connected, you will see for a brief moment that it is connected. Then you should start charging your S Pen like that. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.